All right, everybody. I'm back, or maybe this is the first time I'm recording because I don't think I had the sound on the first part. That was okay because I was just going over that I was sick last week and I'm behind on stuff. And yeah, anyway, you don't need to know all that. So this is what I've done. I just put some of this Scotch washi at the top. I decided to go with sort of blue and green theme this week because I had these two stickers out of that one sort of holiday-ish or seasonal book. This came out of a quotes book. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers by Anne of Green Gables, and then some of these other ones came out of Gold Star Quotes book, Think, Dream, and Plan, Pumpkin Spice Everything. I decided that this section with the Monday through Sunday is going to be my dinner meal plan. So for the 9th, we're going to be tuna noodle casserole and probably green beans, but sometimes I throw peas and carrots or just peas or just carrots in the casserole, and if I do that, I don't know if I'll have a side vegetable or not. Tuesday, chicken burritos with peppers and onions, or maybe chicken fajitas with peppers and onions, something like that. Wednesday will be leftovers night because I'm sure we'll have leftovers from both of those nights. Thursday will be spaghetti with meat sauce or with meatballs and a salad. This is all things I have in the house now. Friday will be fish patties, French fries, and probably applesauce. Saturday, I have a canned ham. I have a couple canned hams, but I want to use one of them and with macaroni and cheese. And I haven't decided if I'm going to make like a casserole. I maybe not. I might just bake it and then have mac and cheese on the side, and then broccoli or I have like a spinach and kale mix in my freezer that I haven't opened yet from BJ's, I think a while ago. I need to use some of that, and so I might make that instead. I don't know yet. And Sunday will be chicken breast with, I have two packages I got at a discount grocery of Spätzle. It's like a German noodle and some kind of veggie. Maybe zucchini or I'm not sure yet. One of these is mushroom and I forget what the other one is. I'll have to see what they are before I decide on a veggie. Anyway, that's the dinner meal plan. And then down here in notes, I decided to make this be, at least for this week, my lunch options for me. My son always packs sandwiches with yogurt and an apple and some like crunchy snacks. Like he likes Pepperidge Farm goldfish. Anyway, or sometimes pretzels or whatever. Anyway, all of these I'll probably have with fruit and chips and a beverage. Homemade tuna salad with celery and scallions because I need to use them up. Lunch meat and cheese, that's probably iffy for me because we're running low on bread and lunch meat and cheese for him. Peanut butter and jelly or peanut butter and banana, which we're out of bananas right now, or peanut butter on celery, that's probably more likely. Fruit and protein powder smoothies with almond milk because I have almond milk I need to use up, and I have frozen fruit, and I have canned fruit too. So that's kind of my lunch options for this week for me. Um, so I already put in all my videos that have to go up. There are with the little green stars. This one's been done since September for my Dye Designs channel. So I have a plan with me video that goes up, which is what I'm doing right now. And I'm doing this on Saturday the 7th, actually. Because when I was sick, all these things written in blue ink are from when I really didn't feel well and was sitting on the sofa. And I took my planner down and I made 3 different grocery lists for BJ's, Aldi's, and Giant. Originally, I had shopping on the 19th because I thought I got paid on the 18th. But now I have a vet appointment for my cat on the 19th, and I'm going to go shopping on the 12th and pay the bills on the 12th. And my shopping will consist of BJ's for some things for the freezer, mostly. Aldi, because I save more money there than I do at my final destination, which is Giant. And I like BJ's deli their lunch meat and stuff for my son. It's cheaper than at my main grocery store, which is Giant. I call it my main one because they have the best fresh produce out of the three. Sometimes I find good things at Aldi, but usually more at Giant. I combination of Aldi and Giant, and once in a while BJ's, but the packages of BJ's are too big for us. There's only two of us here, and the stuff will go bad. Anyway, plan with me. I have make items for the 12th and 13th videos, which we'll get to in a minute. And I had to make some follow-up calls. I made calls to my bank about something this week, and I'm still waiting for a firm answer on that. And also about some equipment this week for me. And luckily I called because they hadn't gotten the doctor's order from August something. And so anyway, and now I'm waiting, and I had to change my follow-up appointment for November to, I think it ended up being January or something. Anyway, that's okay. So Tuesday, I have on my Dahlia Designs a Potomac Beads unboxing video for the treasure box. At noon, 10 on the 10th, which is a collab hosted by Metal Scrappin' Chick, and it's Christmas cards or tags or projects, whatever you want to make, but you're just supposed to make 10 of them. I usually do cards, but I might not this month. We'll see. And at noon also, in the month of October, I'm doing YouTube live stream. This week is Halloween. Last week, I had an issue with chat not being turned on. I don't know what happened. I was sick last week, and I mean this past week, and I still am congested, and it's still Saturday, but I was really sick on Tuesday evening and all day Wednesday. Didn't get a whole lot done at all. So I'm behind on some of my activities for last week, but I was checking stuff off and moving stuff around, so it looks kind of messy. The 11th is noon. Noon is embellishments on the 11th. That's my collaboration on my Deb House Crafty Cod, this channel. And it's also my Social Security payday, second Wednesday of the month, not third Wednesday. And since I get paid there, I'm going to get the shopping done out of the way. I already have my list made up. I went online and did Aldi's and BJ's lists to see about their specials and their coupons and all that stuff. But then I don't actually order, most of the time I don't order online. And BJ's I would, except there's always one or two items that they say only available in store. So, and there's a couple like that for me this time. So I'm going to just do the shopping myself. I also have some bills that once I get paid, I have to make sure I schedule them or write out checks or whatever. Most of them are online now. But I don't, for most of them, I don't do automatic payment except for my auto insurance and stuff like that, or my homeowner's insurance. Anyway, then the 12th, I have a collab. It's hosted by Craftin' and Relaxing Sarah. Joy of Blue, I usually do jewelry for that on my Dahlia Designs channel. And then I put tomorrow pointing to Friday because it's Friday the 13th. I'm not terribly superstitious, but I just usually have bad luck, so I put ugh, and then I put relax. It's okay. It's just another day in my life, right? Nothing probably gonna happen. Don't think I'm going anywhere that day, so you know. Anyway, I put time to be determined. Hashtag be creative. Thanksgiving challenge. That is hosted by Terry Jeanette at the Tapping Flamingo, and that's on this channel. And Friday, I have to catch up and do photos and listings in my Etsy shop of made jewelry and get things out there. I promised people I would do that, and I need to do that. So that is going to be my Friday. So when this says make things for the 12th and 13th, it's these two collaborations, and that means make the videos too. And presumably the 10th and 11th things will be made from the prior week, but we'll see because I'm doing this on Saturday. I have it scheduled for Sunday. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know whether they'll get done in time or not. So I might have to do make items for the 10th and 11th here and on the 10th make things for the 12th and 13th. I don't know yet. We'll see how that goes. This is my really super busy week as far as collabs and things. Alright, so then we do the shopping and we do those photos, and then Saturday is make items for the 2 collabs I have on the 15th, and also I tend to do a load or 2 of laundry on this day because my son usually holds off and does his on Sunday night, or sometimes he does it Saturday night, but I do it in the morning. And it's Saturday, prior Saturday today, and I have a load in the washer. 15th is my brother's birthday. We are not celebrating on the 15th. We're celebrating on the 16th, so you'll see that next week. And I have on my Dahlia Designs a TBD again. I don't know what time I'll get it up. Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge hosted by Angela at Pirate Pretties Jewelry. And noon, Passion for Purple, which is hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick, same person that hosts the 10 on the 10th. That can be jewelry or non-jewelry, anything, as long as it's purple, but I tend to make jewelry. And then also plan with me for the week of the 16th, so I have a happy plan sticker and then just some confetti and stuff for the birthday. So that is my plan for the week of... Oh, and over here I just put some stickers out of the books I used last week, and a quotes book, and pumpkin spice everything. I don't like pumpkin spice in coffee or anything like that. I like pumpkin bread. I love pumpkin pie. Doesn't always like me, depending on the level of the spice in it. But I do like those. And those pumpkin roll things that have the sugary cream in the middle. None of which I should have any of that. But because I have a sugar issue. But yeah. And then I have autumn here and just some leaves and things. And think, dream, and plan. And I leave the looking ahead blank. And I'll write that in during this week as to things I want to accomplish in the following week. I probably have that camera up too high. So that's my plan for the week of the 9th through the 15th. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little busy, but I'm using my planner and trying to stay on track. And it's good because even when I was like sitting on the sofa, I could do some things like make grocery lists and do meal planning and stuff when I wasn't feeling good. Wednesday didn't do much of anything because I really had a fever, and you know, when your teeth hurt, your head hurts, your head's throbbing. So I was mostly on Theraflu and or Tylenol and a few zinc tablets thrown in here and there. You know, hot water, hot tea, ginger ale, that kind of stuff. I should have had chicken broth, but I didn't follow my own advice that I gave my son. Anywho, but I did have beef broth because I had beef vegetable soup one day that was homemade, and that was really good. Tasted good to me too. Anyway, that's all. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you again next week. Bye for now.